Hey everyone, we are in Yuma, Arizona. Actually, we're way outside of Yuma, Arizona, and we are here to give boondocking another try. And that sounded like a lot of fun, and it was really kind of an interesting drive out here. We ended up driving through pelting rain for the last 3 hours, and now that we're here, it's dry, and we've got another 3 hours to go before the rain starts again. So this is really interesting. Let me show you what's behind me. If you can see, the campground that we were gonna camp at is, as far as I can tell, completely underwater. So that's not an option today. So we're gonna keep looking. Do you remember that driving I told you about, how we drove through the mud and stuff? Well, look at my poor dear trailer. So we're going to try to check this one out. Senator Wash South Shore Recreation Area. It's BLM land. And look at that. There's spots right on the water. I'm hopeful that we're going to find ourselves a really nice one. Okay, we got our spot. I love it. I think we're going to be very happy here. I think we found her. This is an absolutely gorgeous spot. Right on the water. There's even a little fire ring right here. See that? And even better, check this out. A bright yellow picnic table. I love it. So tonight I am preparing for us a chicken curry, and what I put into it is, of course, chicken and onions and green beans, potatoes, garlic, and chopped up little carrots. And I cooked the rice ahead of time and I added it to it, and then I used curry sauce and coconut cream from Trader Joe's, and all we have to do is cook it together, let it simmer, and enjoy. Can you hear the rain? It is raining hard out here.
This is just absolutely fantastic. It's so hot, and the curry is, it's like sweet and, we could eat a whole bucket of this.
So Dave, tell us what you're up to.
I am writing in our journal, and every single time we've taken Ernicha, and that's the name of our trailer after Wendy's mom, every time we've taken a trip, every single day is a different entry in here, and I've kept a log of all the different places we've been. It's so much fun to go back over it.